Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So in our last video we have seen how to create an assembly item, what is an assembly item, how to produce in NetSuite assembly item, what is bill of materials, how to create bill of materials, what are the use of bill of materials. So we have seen this in our last video. So we have seen the bill of materials assembly items in our last video. In today's video, we are going to discuss about kit package item. So what is kit package items? A kit or package item is a bundle of multiple items sold together as a single unit. Like unlike assembly items, the components are not manufactured but simply grouped for a sale. Key features of kit package items: item remain separate in inventory but are sold as a bundle. Pricing can be individual. Some of all items are set at a fixed price. A stock availability is based on each individual item's inventory levels. Kit components can be inventory, non-inventory, service items. If we're talking about understand the real world example, real scenario, so electronics store selling laptop bundle, for example, in that bundle kit, they are making a group of laptop, mouse, headphones, or maybe keywords. So real retail business that offering a holiday kit package, candle, chocolate, greeting cards, subscription boxes, monthly beauty or snack boxes, fitness like a home gym set, dumbbells, yoga and resistance band, software services, CRP, CRM support package. So, for example, as best famous one of the famous example like what a cricket kit. Suppose this, in the cricket kit, what they are providing like providing bat, ball, helmet, and hand gloves, pads. So these are the things that they can provide as a kit. So grouping of all the items they are providing. So how we can create a kit package item? Just will say that. So navigate to list accounting items. Here we can select a kit package. So we have to create a kit package item. We have already created one kit package item. So let's review in details. So we have created kit package item as a cricket bag, kit bag. So we have given the display names. Here we have given the small description. If you will give description, that will be helpful to understand the meaning. So we can give the code. We can make it available based on subsidy level. So now if we are selecting checkbox children, include children, then this kit package will be available for all the subsidiary, including parent company and all the custom subsidiary. So if you want to categorize, then we can categorize based on department, classes, and location. So what is the purchasing inventory? So in the inventory here we have the component, display component or transaction, like we have a item, raw materials like individual item we have selected here to make a group or to make a kit package items. So pad stamps, here we can add new also if you want. So that is a inventory item, just to we need to add as inventory level, then it will populate here, then we can select and we can make it a group. Under the selling subtype we can define that price level, online base price, so we can define that price. So for example 5,000. So online price is like 4,060 200 based on 0.75% discount. This will be the default discount price. We will talk this pricing level in this upcoming videos. And in the accounting, under the accounting, we need to select the account type, income account, revenue. It will follow on the account impact on the revenue account. So we need to select the taxable if taxable, and then we can save it. Just save it. So this is the kit package item. How we can create the kit package item, and we can process with the sales order with using this kit package item for the customer level. And I think we have reviewed all the things. So same like way we can create a kit package item NetSuite in NetSuite, and we can define that component for the kit package. So that's it for today. I think we have covered that kit package item, how to create a kit package item, what are the use of kit package item, what are the selling price, how it defined. So we have covered in our today's video. So I hope that was some helpful. So in our next video, we'll go to that pricing level. So on the item master pricing chapter. So first we'll see the price level, price group. So this will be our next video. We'll in upcoming video we are going to cover that pricing level. So in the pricing level, we'll see first price level. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button and add your comment, like it, and share it with your friends. And stay active for our next latest videos and tips tutorials. And thank you. Bye bye. I hope everyone will do great. Have a good day.